G'day everyone, it's Chriso. My main thing for silicone, my main tools, is a paddle pop stick, my empty silicone container, which I wipe my stick on like that. So all my waste silicone goes in there. It's better than a cloth, better than everything. So we'll get started. I always use a paddle pop stick. That is the way I was showing a few DIYers. It's the way to go, guys, girls. It's the way to go. Paddle pop stick, and then if you have to, you just smooth it off with that sucker. You've got 5 of them. Silicone always, it just makes the job. Oh Jesus, dogs are going for it. I'm on a lifestyle block of land, few acres, so every property has a dog, nearly every property. They love their animals. It's not a hobby farm, it's just like an acre or so. But I've done the bathroom here. This is the ensuite. I did the bathroom about 9 months ago, and it's the second time because the first time Dodgy Bob, the tiler, did it and he stuffed it up big time. And when they saw me doing the bathroom, they went, "Oh my God, we got the wrong tiler." So yeah, then you just give it a squirt with a bit of soapy water. Pull out your paddle pop stick. Look at that. Way better than any cloth, rag, paper towel. And then you just bin it when you're finished with it. A paddle pop stick is the ultimate when doing silicone because it gives you a nice curve. And you go up or down, doesn't matter. Whatever takes your fancy. Sometimes you just give it, I just licked my finger then. I'm about to just run up with my finger up there. Look at that. You got it with you all the time. Okay, everyone, I'll see you soon. Give us a thumbs up, poke the subscribe button. We'll see you on the other side.